Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to crochet natra. In part 1, we'll start with the head. Let's get started. Prepare your materials as shown in the picture. We'll be using a 2mm crochet hook for this project. Let's start with the head. Use cream-colored yarn and create a magic ring with 6 single crochet stitches for round 1. First, let's crochet the head. Use beige yarn and start with a magic ring of 6 single crochet stitches for round 1. Round 2, crochet 6 increases, total 12 stitches. Round 3, crochet 1 single crochet and 1 increase, repeat 6 times. Round 4, crochet 1 single crochet, 1 increase, and 1 more single crochet, repeat the pattern 6 times. Round 5, crochet 3 single crochets and 1 increase. Repeat the pattern 6 times. Round 6, crochet 2 single crochets, 1 increase, and 2 more single crochets. Repeat the pattern 6 times until the end of the round. Round 7, crochet 5 single crochets and 1 increase, repeat 6 times. By the end of the round, you will have a total of 42 single crochets. Round 8, crochet 3 single crochets, 1 increase, and 3 more single crochets. Repeat this pattern 6 times. From rounds 9 to 17, crochet 48 single crochets without increasing. Let's finish this part together. Round 18. Start by crocheting 14 single crochets, then 1 increase. Follow with the pattern 5 single crochets, 1 increase repeated 5 times, and finish with 3 single crochets. Finish up this round, everyone. Keep going. From rows 19 to 21, crochet 54 single stitches without increasing. Row 22, we will start decreasing stitches. Follow the pattern on the screen and continue crocheting. After crocheting 14 single stitches for the invisible decrease, grab the front loops of the next 2 stitches like this. Now, continue and complete row 22 on your own. For row 23, crochet 3 single stitches, 1 decrease, and 3 more single stitches. Then repeat this pattern 6 times. By the end of the row, you'll have 42 stitches. You can complete the rest on your own. Row 24, crochet 5 single stitches, 1 decrease, repeat 6 times. Row 25, crochet 2 single stitches, 1 increase, then 2 more single stitches. Repeat this pattern 6 times until the end of the row for a total of 30 stitches. Finish the row on your own. Row 26, crochet 3 single stitches and 1 decrease, repeat 6 times. By the end of the row, you'll have 24 stitches left. Row 27, start with 1 single crochet, then 1 decrease, followed by another single crochet. Repeat this pattern 6 times. Stuff the head firmly with filling. After stuffing the head firmly, leave a finger-sized gap in the center hole and do not fill this part completely. Let's continue crocheting row 28. Crochet 1 single crochet and 1 decrease. Repeat this pattern 6 times. From rows 29 to 36, crochet 12 single crochets without decreasing. You can complete this part on your own. Row 36 marks the end of the head. Now, cut the yarn, leaving a long tail for sewing. We will sew the outer loops of the last row together and pull them tight to close the opening. We finished the head. Now stuff this section inside the head. Once stuffed inside, it will look like this, everyone. Now let's crochet the hair bun. For the hair bun, use black yarn. Round 1, create a magic ring with 6 single crochet stitches. Tighten the magic ring, slip stitch into the first stitch, then chain 1. Repeat this for the following rounds. Round 2, make 6 increases, 12 stitches in total. Round 3, crochet 1 single crochet and 1 increase. Repeat this pattern 6 times, 18 stitches in total. Rounds 4 to 5, crochet 18 single crochets without any increases. Round 6, crochet 1 single crochet and 1 decrease. Repeat this pattern 6 times. For the final round, continue crocheting 1 single crochet and 1 decrease until the end of the round. At the end of round 7, stuff the bun, cut the yarn, and weave in the excess. Use the same pattern to crochet another hair bun. After that, we will continue crocheting the hair section. For the hair section, continue using black yarn. Round 1, create a magic ring with 6 single crochet stitches. Slip stitch to join the round and chain 1 as usual. From rounds 2 to 8, we will crochet the same as the head. I will display the pattern on the screen, so follow along and complete it on your own. After finishing round 6, we have completed the hair base. Now, we will mark the positions to crochet the hair strands with corresponding lengths. There will be 9 bangs, 3 sideburn strands on each side, and 9 strands at the nape. Now that we've marked the positions, let's start crocheting the hair strands. Pull the yarn through the starting stitch of the sideburn section. Chain 10, then turn back and crochet 9 single crochets from the second chain down. After finishing the 9 single crochets, skip the next stitch and slip stitch into the following stitch. Continue by crocheting another hair strand with 9 chain stitches. Similarly, skip the first stitch and continue crocheting to the end of the row. To finish the row, skip 1 stitch and slip stitch into the next stitch. Next, make a strand with 8 chain stitches. Follow the same steps as the previous 2 strands. The 3 sideburn strands are done. Now, for the bangs, make 9 strands with 7 chain stitches each. Keep following the same steps as before. The bangs are done. Now continue with the sideburns. Make 1 strand with 8 chain stitches, 1 with 9, and 1 with 10. You can complete this part on your own. Now for the nape hair. All strands will be 12 chain stitches long. Follow the same method and complete the rest. After finishing the last hair strand, slip stitch and cut the yarn. Align the hairpiece with the head to ensure it looks balanced before attaching it. Now we will use glue to attach the hair from the top of the head to each strand. Be sure to glue one strand at a time to avoid excess glue and misalignment. The hair is now attached. Now let's finish by gluing the hair buns in place. Use 2 pieces of black and white felt to make the eyes. Use red yarn to create a chain of 80 stitches. Make 2 such cords. I have attached the eyes and completed Neja's head. You can get creative with the mouth design as you like. Goodbye everyone, see you in the next video where we'll make Neja's body together. If you enjoyed this, please give me a sub and a like. Bye.